In this tutorial, we will show the various features of the Glassbox Audit Trail function, as well as demonstrate how to use them. This function is beneficial for the viewing of all transactions done at retail outlets. The Audit Trail function tab can be found on the left-hand menu under Trading. Once in the Audit Trail screen, we see our hierarchies on the left, our up-to-date sales in the main screen, and some options at the top and bottom of the screen. Starting with the hierarchies, the Audit Trail function gives us the ability to limit our result set by the level in the hierarchy or by individual sites. For example, we can choose to view our transactions for the North Island, or we can choose to take it a level further and just look at transactions from the likes of the Square. Once we're in the hierarchy we're wanting to look at, we have the option to change the date range to either a predefined time, for example a particular month or week, or we can choose a custom range, for example yesterday at 4 p.m. This helps in narrowing down the search for one particular sale. Over on the right hand side, we have the options to filter, view receipts, and to export data. Filtering has a few different options. We can filter by default, which will show just the transaction, or we can also optionally show electronic totals or delivery completes. The electronic totals will show an electronic meter reading at the end of each transaction. The delivery completes show the amount the pump has delivered. The filtering function also gives the ability to filter by method of payment, by grade, as well as by partial card number, dollar amount, pump ID, and terminal ID. It also gives you the ability to save custom filters. The Receipts function gives us the capability to view receipts for any given individual transaction. On top of this, receipts can be emailed and can also be printed to the default printer. We can also view transaction details for individual sales, showing us the pump nozzle ID, the terminal the sale was on, and the sale number. The Export feature allows us to export any given result set to Excel or CSV. Finally, we have the page navigation down the bottom, which is pretty self-explanatory. These are the features and functions of the Glassbox Head Office System Audit Trail option.